I work in production animal nutrition and physiology. My research is really looking at nutrition and nutritional interventions in ways to either help an animal cope with the environment or improve their productivity. So I look at diets that we're feeding to animals, how they interact, how the animal absorbs those and uses those nutrients metabolically. Agriculture is such an exciting industry as a whole. There's so many different facets to it, so many different elements. All of them work together to allow us to produce food in the way that we do, and it's really exciting to kind of work in an area where you've got an actual tangible outcome. So improving animal production, whether it be milk or meat, it's something you can kind of see and feel, and it's really exciting to know that you can play a role in that and improve health of humans by providing high quality food, but also improve the livelihood of farmers and producers as well. I'm very excited to get this honour. I really truly love what I do and the people I get to work with every day. It's really humbling, I'm really honoured, and it was very unexpected. I love working with animals. It's really fun to get to see these awesome animals and interact with them daily. They all have different personalities and activities, so playing with really cheeky goats can be challenging but amazing, and then big dairy cows are so lovely to be around. So it's really great. I get to be outside, I get to see these wonderful creatures, and yeah, it's absolutely the best part of my job. So there's a lot of things that we don't know about animals and how they behave and how nutrition impacts their growth, and so there's always something exciting to learn, and we're always trying to do the right thing by the whole system, and nutrition is an excellent way of having an impact across so many different elements of production.